Well, we finally got some snow, although it is technically raining, I think, and it doesn't feel exactly fluffy, but it's like 60 centimeters better than what we had. You want to wait for your mum? And then if I say red light, oh, that's 1-0 Jimmy. Green light, pizza shake, red light, emergency stop. Yeah, but that was cool, that was good. Okay, green light. Red light. And red light. You know what? That's the best stop you've done today. That's really good. Okay, whole way to the left. When you're ready, we can start going down. When I say red light, we're going to come to a stop no matter where you are. Hands on knees, please. Hands on knees. Pizza shake, please. Excellent. Pizza shake, Jimmy. And red light, come to a stop. Okay, green light, off we go. And red light. Good stop, Aiden, well done. Green light, let's go. Keep that pizza shape. You need to be in the pizza now, Jimmy. That's it, and then red light, stop. Yeah. Okay, green light, off we go. Keep that pizza shape, mind the snowboarder. Pizza shape, and red light, big stop. That's okay, we just let our hands come up a little bit there, Aiden. Okay, green light, off we go. Hands on our knees, hands on our knees. Whole way to the left, go, 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 go. Eyes up, look where we're going. And then start to make a pizza to slow down. Yeah. Okay, when you're ready, pizza down in behind me. And then you're going to start making that left foot really heavy. Start turning that left toe inwards. Yeah, buddy, there you go. Okay, cool. Let's see if we can go this way and then turn around this ski instructor and their partner there. So Jimmy, when you're ready, Hayden, just wait there 1 sec. Bigger pizza, bigger pizza. Now start turning that right toe. Hands on knees if we can. Big stop. Nice. Hayden, you're next. So we're just going to see if we go round Jimmy if we can. Just start turning that right big toe. Yeah, 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 yeah. Nice. Okay. It is, he's a little bit straight. You see his skis are like this. So he's trying to turn but nothing happens. Gotta keep our stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna come in behind you. So you're gonna go down, hands on our knees, bigger pizza if we can. Pizza shake. Then start pushing on one foot and turning that toe. Still gonna keep that pizza though. Bigger pizza if we can. Nice. Cool, wait there. So we're starting to move a little bit left and right now, which is kind of cool, right?
Yeah.
So we can turn around people.
Now we're just going to try to go.
So we're going to see if we can go down there, and we're going to see if we can turn up the lift line.
Yeah.
Green light, off you go. Hands on knees, pizza if we can. And red light. Red light. Okay. Green light, let's go. Yellow light. Yellow light, turn. Okay, red light. Yellow, turn the other way. Yeah, we're getting there. Whole way down into the left line. Okay, so this is a slow-mo race. The rules are you have to keep moving. Whoever is the slowest to the bottom wins. Okay?
So whoever's last.
Whoever's last wins out of you two. So as slow as you can. The bigger the pizza you have, the slower you're going to go. But you got to keep moving. You can't stop. If I see you stop for more than 2 seconds, you're going to be out. That's it. Bigger pizza Make a pizza, point your feet together. That's it. Oh, you gotta keep moving, gotta keep moving. Gotta keep moving, keep wiggling, keep wiggling. Keep wiggling, hold that pizza. Make sure those skis are pointing towards each other. They're friends, they want to be friends. Well, they're not pointing towards each other. A little bit closer. That's okay. Keep those hands down, keep that pizza. If you want to do some turns, you can go even slower. Look, if I turn, I'm going across the hill and I can turn and go back the other way. Bigger pizza, you go slower. That's okay. Bigger pizza, underneath. Yeah, good job, Hayden, well done. Your brother just did a jump, I'm not quite sure why. Keep going, Jimmy, nice and slow. See if you can turn to the right. That's it, keep moving, keep moving. Two, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. I'm going to disqualify both of you. Keep going, slow as we can. Come on, don't push it. We can go, see if we can get down, turn into the left and stop. We've got to keep that pizza though. Big pizza there, straight. It needs to be bigger, 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 bigger. Emergency stop. Good job. Well done.